How to replace toner cartridges for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3201 to 3204, 3288, MFP 3301 to 3304, and 3388 printer series. When the toner levels for your printer become too low and no longer produce good print quality, replace them with new genuine HP cartridges. Open the cartridge access door. Grasp the blue handle on the toner cartridge drawer and then pull out the drawer. Grasp the handle on the toner cartridge and then pull the toner cartridge straight up to remove it. To recycle the used toner cartridge, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the new cartridge from the package. While holding it from the sides, gently rock it back and forth to distribute the toner evenly inside the cartridge. Caution! To prevent damage to the cartridge, hold the cartridge at each end. Do not touch the protective cover or roller surface, as this could damage the cartridge. Before installing, make sure that the color chip on the cartridge matches the color chip on the drawer. Insert the cartridge into the drawer. Then close the drawer. Close the cartridge access door. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.